how did you get into VMware, and like what was the journey like?
I knew VMware from really long ago, right? Even when I was back in Nepal. Now, right now I'm in Sydney, Australia. Even when I was in Nepal, that was like early 2000, and we used to be amazed to see VMware's product. I think at the time that was a VMware workstation, and running multiple operating system in one computer was like a magic, right? Oh wow, what's going on here, right? That was like a really new space, and I knew VMware from that time. Um, so to get opportunity working with VMware, it's a history company. We all know that the virtualization that came into mainstream because of VMware, and it has so many things in virtualization world, right? Even if you look at the cloud right now, cloud is, if you look at it, everything behind cloud is virtual computers or virtual servers. So there is some contribution from VMware, how it has developed the ecosystem, and of course AWS and Microsoft now and Google, all of them are actually using virtualization behind. So to bring virtualization to that space, VMware has some role to play, right? So talking about how I came to VMware was, before VMware, I have worked with IBM, and then I went to AWS, and then I went to a company called Cloud10, where I was working as a solutions architect, and then I saw a role popped up. And actually, one of my colleague, he referred me to this role. They said, "Hey, look, this solutions architect role is coming along," and the role was called VMware Cloud and AWS Solutions Architect. And because I had the knowledge of AWS cloud, because I had worked with AWS, and also I had experience of virtualization and VMware's technologies when I was working with IBM, so it was like a really good match for me. And VMware was looking for someone who knows both sides of thing, right? So it was a good match for me. It was a good match for VMware, and then I applied for the role, and through the interview process, I got the role. So here I am today, and inside the VMware, there were multiple role changes, and my current role is multi-cloud architect, working for multiple VMware solutions in multiple clouds. That's what I'm doing right now. So that's the short answer of how was my journey with VMware.